Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on drawing on photos on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the image in the Photos app, then select Edit from the top right. On the editing screen, tap the three dots button from the top right, and then select Markup. You will now be in the Markup editor, and you can draw and add shapes to the photo using your finger or the Apple Pencil. You can switch between a brush, highlighter, and pencil. You can change the width and opacity on all the brushes, as well as change color. Tap the plus button and you can add shapes, text, a signature, and a magnifier. When you are finished editing your photo, tap Done from the top right. That edited image will be saved in your photo gallery. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.